Welcome to Wordscience. Today's lesson is about the word after. This small word has a big meaning. Let's explore how it helps us talk about time, order, and actions in simple English. The word after means something happens later. It tells what comes next. When we say after, we move forward in time or order. We often use after to talk about time. For example, after lunch, I study. This means studying happens later, not before lunch. After also shows order. When we say B comes after A, we mean B is next in the sequence. It helps us understand what follows what. Sometimes, after shows position. If we say, the car is after the bus, it means the car is behind the bus in line. After can also describe actions. For example, she smiled after hearing the news. The smile happened later, showing a result or reaction. In daily life, we use after all the time. After work, people relax. It connects two parts of our day and shows what happens next. Writers use after to make stories flow. After the storm, the sun came out. It helps readers see the order of events clearly. There are many phrases with after, like after all, after a while, and after you. Each one has its own special meaning in English. Now, it's practice time. Try making your own sentences with after. For example, after breakfast, I read, or the movie starts after dinner. So, after means later, next, or behind. It connects time, order, and actions. Keep learning simple English with Wordscience and grow your vocabulary every day.